Hello guys, today is Friday. So, tapos ko nang ma-edit yung video, yung Wednesday and Thursday. Nakalimutan ko talaga yung sasabihin ko. Mag-aalas 12 na pala. Maganda yung ngayon, yung weather. So, parang ko naman ngayon, 'di ba kahapon naglinis ako tapos ngayon rest day. Char. Ano ko diyan? May bagong ngayon, may bagong bukas na shopping mall. Ewan ko kung ano 'yun. Magbubukas ngayong araw. Hindi yes, opening nila. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Opening remark. Grand opening, lunch, grand opening nila ngayon. Ang pangalan nun, Dedeman Shop. Siguro yun ang pupuntahan namin mamaya. Kasi nag-aaya si, ba't palaging si? Nag-aaya si mama. Ewan ko kung gusto ni Vlad. Since Friday, maaga siya uwi ngayon. Hopefully, hindi kagaya last week na stress siya. Since sabi naman niya, updated naman na daw yung trabaho niya, hindi na siya masyadong na-hassle. Na-stress lang talaga siya kapag may problema sa mga ginagawa niya. So, yun lang guys. Update ko kayo kung matutuloy kami sa mall. Yes. Mag-aalas 12 na siguro. Mag-aalas 12 na, mamaya kakain na naman. Yes guys. So, update ko kayo later. 12:40 na pala guys. Naglilinis pala ako ng bintana. Ako maglinis sa bintana. Naglaba kasi sila ng kortina. Mamaya ibabalik namin ulit yung kortina na tinanggal. Yes. Ang dami kong dandruff. Yes. Guys, kanina pa to. Hindi pa natapos-tapos. Ay. Magandang araw ngayon, no? Hello guys, so Good afternoon. Ayun o, si Vlad, inaantay ko. Pupunta kami sa city. Babalik kami ulit sa, sa Chinese restaurant na kinainan namin last Saturday. Doon kami pupunta. Kasi gusto niya daw kumain ng noodles.
But if this conventional fuel, if the battery is down,
Say hi.
hello. Hi.
Ayun nga guys, pupunta kami doon sa city. Yung sinabi ko kanina na pupunta kami sa Chinese store.
No store.
Chinese restaurant, excuse me. Chinese restaurant. Restaurant?
Restaurant, what's that?
Chinese.
What's that,
Sa Chinese
love?
restaurant.
Very dangerous it is.
Doon kami pupunta kasi gusto niya na daw kumain ng pansit ulit. Eh, sakto hindi pa ako kumain ng tanghalian. Alas 3 na guys. So, saktong-sakto yung pag-aya niya. Hey, Mama wants to go to Daddy Man. Why did you
There are lots of cars there, don't we?
May... Wait, ipapakita ko.
A lot of people are there.
May bagong bukas kasi dito na ano ba yun? Construction?
It's for construction, not only construction, flowers, various.
Market, basta market dito.
There are but not food. It's not with food. It's not
Yes.
like this is just
Ngayon yung grand opening nila, gustong pumunta dun
we
si
can have
Mama.
also Lidl.
Kaso ito, ayaw.
Soon is gonna
Tinanggihan.
start with Lidl also love there.
Sa Lidl?
In our hometown there is gonna be Lidl also. There there are gonna be many people.
Wait,
because,
ipapakita ko yung yung Daddy Man.
I think that's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure, but
Magandang weather ngayon, mainit. Wait lang, papakita ko
20
yung Daddy
degrees
Man na
is there. Let's see how many people are here.
Yes, wait lang.
People.
Ayan guys, yung yung
Discounts.
Ano nga yun?
Grand opening and discounts, you know.
ngayon yung grand opening nila. Ayan yung tatak, Daddy Man. Ayan o. Oh. Naka-promote ngayon yan. Maraming car. There's a lot of car. But still you have space. Ayan
See,
guys.
there are plenty of
Maybe
cars
we are
also.
going later when we going home. Ayan guys. Yan. Daddy Man.
And it's open, so wow,
Yes.
they put this one. So nice. I can go straight
Oh,
without any no stress.
what do you call that one?
Intersection. Why? The head.
Terminal?
Mandatory head.
When the yellow?
When it's yellow, you can go. When it's the yellow intermittently,
Intermittent.
you can go.
Intermittent.
We have priority here, so.
Maybe we can... What?
Ce face ăla? Doarme, ce Dumnezeu face? He was sleeping. Maybe
He
he
wants to go.
checked his. Maybe he checked his phone. You heard that?
Yes. Maybe we can go straight in Daddy Man when we going home.
We can go.
Yan na lang. Tapos sabihin na lang namin sa Mama kung ano yung meron, no? No?
It's
Oh,
full
yes,
of people now.
yes.
You saw what was there. I told you that's lots of cars. Being grand
Yes.
open, there are offers with, gardening is not only, the demand is not only construction. It's like
Maybe it's
many-
like Jumbo.
Much. Jumbo has plastic. But the demand is for these things. Look at those guys
Okay.
with
Let's
the
not,
clothes. The demand has many construction materials. But also for gardening, you can find tools.
Alam ko lang yung sinasabi, parang Home Depot.
It's a Home Depot. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a depot.
Parang Home Depot. Depot.
Yes.
So, andito na kami sa Kaufland. Maglalagay lang ako ng lip tint para naman
Have to
may
buy
kulay
something
yung
from
lips
here,
natin. Ewan ko kung expired na to. Maglalagay ako ng blush
You have to
ras
buy
ng
another one,
Ever
maybe.
Belena. Andito na kami.
Rest.
Ang ganda ngayon. It's not too sunny. Maganda yung weather. Pero natatakluban muna niya yung...
I need for green light.
Natatakluban muna ng ulap. Oh, exactly green.
For us. Let's go. Let's go. Do you want to go main and straight?
Yeah, go to
Because you
main
got some
road.
flight course anyway.
Huh?
Eat there again past it. I want to eat at past it.
Yes, excited din
I
siya.
want to eat at past it. I'm hungry.
Gutom kami parehas. So, see you there. Hi! So, andito na kami, guys. Ayun na, excited na kami. Andito na kami. Ayun o, nakikita nyo yan, ayan, dyan kami pupunta. Yes. It's already 4:44, guys. So, eksakto 1.5 hour. No?
Yeah.
Really?
1
Yes.
hour. No, 1 hour.
1 hour. We
1
walk
hour.
like 1 hour. So, tatawid na kami. Naglakad kami ng mga 1 oras. So, ayun na. Makakakain na kami ng fried rice at saka pansit.
Here it's also kebab. Kebab, burger and cheese.
Ayun o, restaurant Hangzhou. Hangzhou. Diyan kami pupunta. Here we come. Fried rice and pansit.
Pansit for me.
Yes. Okay, so pasok na kami.
We stay here, no? An hour.
I'm so excited. Come here na. We already know.
It's in restaurant.
Poi.
Ветцмо.
Which one?
Шорес. Орес прожитку.
Poi.
Колегуме carne de pui, nu? Orez prăjit cu carne de pui, nu with chicken.
Da.
Orez de pui și iau tițe de... Am dori niște...
Face video?
Only. Da.
Hmm?
Da.
E ok? E în regulă? What you want, love? Și eu aș dori tăiței de orez cu creveți.
Mănâncă aici?
Aici mâncăm, sigur. Și un suc am dorit. Două Pepsi, dacă aveți, mai reci.
Orez cu pui și tăiței de orez cu cleveți.
Da.
Ok.
Și două Pepsi, vă rog frumos, dacă aveți mai rece.
Da. La sticlă sau la jumătate?
La jumătate, vă rog.
So, same order lang yung ginawa namin, guys. What? Ito na, guys, yung pagkain namin. Ay, hindi kita. Wait lang. Ayan na, guys. Rice. Sa akin ay rice. Sa kanya yung pansit. Do you like it?
Pansit. Das war ein Kind.
No? That was.
Delicious.
My breath is still hot.
Măcar fi delicious. It's so delicious.
Really?
Delicious food.
You like it?
It's very delicious.
Да.
Который бит?
Да.
Бит, да.
Just get here if you want. Okay? Tapos, papakainin mo. Gutomin mo sila. Tapos, pakakainin mo ng mga ayaw nila. Pakainin nila. No? You don't eat veggies, but you eat them all.
Да.
Gutom na gutom kasi siya, kaya sarap na sarap.
Без масала.
You want more?
What about you?
You go
Veggies.
na order. If you want more.
Also,
Nahihiya
spring-
siya mag-order.
I
Go
just-
na.
You want something love also?
The spring rolls also.
Spring rolls?
Hindi. Nahihiya siya mag-order.
Ah, you want
Ito na guys yung second plate niya. Ako hindi pa. Nagugutom talaga siya. So, masarap to kasi mainit pa. Ang sarap guys. Spring rolls na.
Let's enjoy.
Yeah. Do you like it? With shrimp. That's cheap.
How's the chicken here?
Kasama na ang spring rolls. Gutom na gutom siya.
Put some spring rolls in there.
You like it? This is different.
Да. It's just with veggies, with shrimps, this one. Is it very good now? No, we eat here, it was lesser. And just the spring rolls, very different before.
Ah,
And we have included also the pieces chicken.
really? Is this a self-service? Huh? Ito may konting onion spring, carrots, and then sweet. You eat. Tikman ko yung pancit. Ito na yung naka-ready na food. Ready to eat. Ito yung kinuha niya. Gugutom talaga siya.
Like the phone.
Yeah.
What? Okay. Good for me.
Wow.
For you.
Oh my gosh. Tapos na kami guys. So, busog.
Сейчас мы
Paalis na kami.
TikTok na.
We're done. Paalis na kami guys. Ayan yung name ng restaurant. Wait. Yan yung name ng restaurant kung gusto niyo punta rito.
The menu three meals. It's 28 lei.
Really?
3 meals here. 3 meals. Plus 4 meals is 35.
You cannot see.
Says here 4 fell, but it means 4. The price is very good, love.
Yeah. Ayan yung price ng ano nila guys, oh. 20.19, 27, and 34.
Even pineapple have. Which
Fast
is
food lang
only-
talaga. Ito yung ano nila, oh. Menu. So yung mga Pinoy na nandito sa May Arad, guys, yan yung restaurant. Yung kung gusto niyo kumain ng fried rice, pag tamad kayo, tapos gusto niyo kumain ng fried rice, pasok na pasok yung panlasang Pinoy dito sa restaurant na yan. Hangzhou.
Yeah.
Hangzhou ang pangalan.
Azure Stone. Yes.
Hangzhou restaurant lang guys dito sa Blaiko Arad. So ayun nga guys, kung yung mga yung kung sino yung mga andirito sa Arad na mga Pinoy na naghahanap ng
Wait for the
ayun guys, nag-delete ako ng mga dinilit ko yung nasa trash. Guys,
What?
ang dami ko lang sinabi kanina pero hindi ko alam kung na-save. No? Basta yung nagustuhan namin yung pagkain doon. You like it? Oh, ang sarap
The food,
nung
yes.
nung spring
tasty.
rolls.
It was
Ang
very
sarap.
tasty.
Yes. Ang sarap-sarap. Pag pumunta kayo sa city, guys, yung mga malapit sa Arad, Blaiko, pag malapit kayo doon, punta lang kayo sa harapan ng Uta Stadium, tapos yung nasa fountain, yung nasa harapan nun,
They're burning on the first
doon lang guys, makikita nyo yung Hangzhou restaurant doon. Masarap yung mga pagkain nila. Asian foods. Gusto din niya. Gusto niya yung pancit. Gusto din niya yung spring rolls. Ganon siguro talaga kapag gutom siya. Gusto niya lahat. Nakadalawang pinggan. Hello guys, it's already 8 o'clock. So, naglalakad na kami pauwi. So, habang naglalakad, bumili kami sa Profi ng coffee. Masarap to guys.
Masarap, love. You like?
Yeah, super.
What about me?
Ha?
What about me, Domi?
Hey, you best, of course.
Sham, Sham.
Alas 7, alas 8, di ba?
8 show. 7:45.
Oo, mag-alas 8 na, pero maliwanag pa rin.
When you arrive there, it's gonna be past 8.
Yes.
8 show.
Past 8. Malapit na kami sa
Sure.
Kaufland. So, pauwi na kami talaga.
Da, we go come. Let's go. From.
When was the first time you drink coffee?
I don't know how old I was. 9 years, I think.
9 years? Did you,
I tried coffee. I think like this, 9 years, something like this. Coffee with milk, I think.
But you,
Banato, not like this. Made or no homemade. No. Real?
nawili lang siyang bumili ng ganito nung dumating ako
Coffee and
dito. Isn't it? Andito na kami guys, pauwi na kami.
Hi.
Yes. Pauwi na kami guys.
We are preparing to go.
Yeah, go home. Yes, uwi is home. Uwi. Go
I
home.
just presume that you said that. Well, then I start the
So, yes, guys, siguro dito na lang, guys. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, don't forget to click like and subscribe and comment down below. Yes, guys, thank you for watching.